Ever found yourself in a HubSpot meeting and wondered, what exactly are we supposed to be doing here? You're not alone. HubSpot meetings, while powerful tools for growth, can sometimes feel a bit nebulous. Are we brainstorming, strategizing, reporting? Can be confusing. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of HubSpot meeting activities, breaking down the common types, and giving you practical tips to make them super productive. Think about it. HubSpot is a comprehensive platform, and its meetings reflect that. They can cover everything from marketing and sales alignment to customer service and even internal team collaboration. So, the activities you engage in will vary wildly depending on the meeting's objective. But there are some recurring themes and core activities that pop up time and time again. Let's start with one of the most common: brainstorming and ideation. HubSpot is all about inbound marketing, which thrives on fresh ideas. So, a significant portion of your HubSpot meetings might be dedicated to generating new content ideas, campaign strategies, or even innovative ways to improve your customer experience. Think about activities like mind mapping, SWOT analysis, or even just free-flowing discussions where everyone throws ideas at the wall. The key here is to foster a creative environment where no idea is too outlandish. You might use HubSpot's Notes feature to capture these ideas directly within the platform, ensuring they're not lost in the shuffle. Next up, we have strategic planning. This is where you move beyond brainstorming and start turning those raw ideas into actionable plans. You'll be defining your goals, identifying your target audience, and outlining the specific steps you need to take to achieve those goals. Think about activities like setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You might also be discussing budget allocation, resource management, and timeline creation. HubSpot's project management tools can be incredibly useful here, allowing you to assign tasks, track progress, and keep everyone on the same page. Another crucial activity in many HubSpot meetings is performance review and analysis. HubSpot is a data-driven platform, and its meetings often involve analyzing key metrics and assessing the effectiveness of your marketing and sales efforts. You might be reviewing website traffic, lead generation numbers, conversion rates, or customer churn. Think about activities like poring over HubSpot dashboards, identifying trends, and discussing what's working and what's not. This is where you use data to inform your decisions and make adjustments to your strategies. HubSpot's reporting features are your best friend here, providing you with the insights you need to make informed decisions. Then there's training and education. HubSpot is a powerful platform with a lot of features, and it's constantly evolving. So, some of your meetings might be dedicated to training your team on new HubSpot tools, best practices, or industry trends. Think about activities like webinars, workshops, or even just informal knowledge-sharing sessions. This is crucial for ensuring that everyone on your team is up to date and able to use HubSpot effectively. HubSpot's own resources, like the HubSpot Academy, can be invaluable for these training sessions. Collaboration and communication are also essential components of any successful HubSpot meeting. Whether you're brainstorming, strategizing, or reviewing performance, effective communication is key. Think about activities like open discussions, Q&A sessions, and even just casual check-ins. The goal is to ensure that everyone is aligned, informed, and has the opportunity to contribute. HubSpot's meeting scheduling and collaboration tools can help streamline this process and make it easier for teams to work together effectively. Now, let's talk about problem solving. Inevitably, things don't always go according to plan. You might encounter unexpected challenges, roadblocks, or even just plain old mistakes. HubSpot meetings can be a valuable forum for identifying these problems, brainstorming solutions, and developing action plans to address them. Think about activities like root cause analysis, brainstorming alternative approaches, and assigning responsibility for implementing solutions. The key here is to approach problems constructively and collaboratively, focusing on finding solutions rather than placing blame. Finally, we have relationship building. While it might seem less tangible than the other activities we've discussed, relationship building is crucial for fostering a strong and collaborative team. HubSpot meetings can provide an opportunity for team members to connect, build rapport, and strengthen their working relationships. Think about activities like icebreakers, team-building exercises, or even just casual conversations. A strong team is a productive team, and fostering positive relationships is essential for maximizing the effectiveness of your HubSpot meetings. So, how can you make these HubSpot meeting activities more effective? Here are a few tips. Set a clear agenda. Before every meeting, make sure you have a clear agenda that outlines the objectives and the topics to be covered. This will help keep the meeting focused and prevent it from veering off track. Invite the right people. Make sure you only invite the people who are essential to the meeting. Too many attendees can make it difficult to have a productive discussion. Come prepared. Encourage attendees to come prepared with any relevant data, insights, or ideas. This will help make the most of the meeting time. Facilitate effectively. The meeting facilitator should play an active role in guiding the discussion, keeping things on track, and ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to contribute. Take clear notes. Make sure someone is responsible for taking clear and concise notes during the meeting. These notes should be shared with all attendees after the meeting. Follow up. After the meeting, make sure to follow up with attendees on any action items that were assigned. This will help ensure that the meeting's outcomes are actually implemented. By understanding the different types of activities that can take place in a HubSpot meeting and following these tips, you can make your meetings more productive, engaging, and ultimately more successful. Remember, HubSpot meetings are a powerful tool for growth, but only if they're used effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.